Like this kind of content, please feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel.
You like them?
No.
Why?
And if you're looking for sweet Valentine's treats, then this is the exact place that you should be.
What?
Thank you to Katie from Life with Love Days for hosting this collab. Definitely check out the playlist. It has lots of other sweet Valentine Day treat inspo.
If you were my Valentine and I gave you those, would you be happy or sad?
I would probably be happy, but
Secretly sad, but pretend like you were happy?
All right, so whisk egg whites in your KitchenAid until it looks frothy.
did you catch that on camera?
Yes.
Can I have a strawberry? Can I do that with strawberry?
Not yet.
Or maybe do like 6.
6? Okay. It looks so fluffy. It looks so poofy. But it's just egg and scissors. Egg and sugar. And knife. I'm very good at it. Probably not. Mommy, it's done.
You got all the sugar?
Yep. Now I must do this. It's egg. It looks like marshmallow.
All right, it says, it's really good. You should be able to turn the bowl upside down and nothing falls out.
Yeah, okay. Hi. I'm famous now.
You're what?
Famous now.
All right, turn it upside down, make sure it doesn't fall out.
It's not falling out.
Nothing's falling out?
No.
Do you feel like they were appropriate for Valentine's Day?
No.
Why?
Because it had no pink in it.
What, it had red? It was a heart.
It did not look like a heart. It looked like a ball.
Was it supposed to look liquidy? What? No, it's supposed to be fluid.
How is that? How did that come? Yeah, it tastes like air. I don't like it.
No, that's because there's no sugar in it. Because the sugar comes from reasons. Like that?
I can't wait to
Perfect.
eat mine.
That's how gross. It doesn't taste good. Look at his face. For our Valentine's Day treat, we decided to use a recipe from one of my very dear friends, Rose Bakewell. She's also a published author and is an amazing, amazing baker. I'll include her website below if you're interested in checking out her stuff.
Cruz,
Okay.
how'd you feel about cooking today?
Not that.
What?